Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel! If you are preparing for IELTS Writing Task 2, this video is going to help you a lot. Today, I will show you a Band-Aid sample answer for an advantages and disadvantages essay. We will look at a simple structure that you can follow to improve your writing score easily. So, let's get started!
The question is about young people taking a gap year to work or travel before university. In the introduction, you should first paraphrase the question, then clearly state your main idea. Here, we say that experience and money are advantages, while career delay and low motivation are disadvantages. This gives a clear direction to your essay. Now let's look at the brief answer. First, introduction paraphrase this topic. Shortlist advantage and disadvantage. The first paragraph main advantage is that students can gain real-life experience by working or traveling. They learn about the world outside the classroom. The second advantage is saving money. University education is expensive, so many students work for a year to support their future studies. You can also include examples, like students needing a high budget for university. Now moving to the disadvantages. The biggest disadvantage is losing 1 year, which could be used to build a career. Also, students may lose motivation to study after working or traveling. Another important point is that some students may choose low-skilled jobs and never return to education, which affects their future. Finally, in conclusion, you should summarize both sides. A gap year can be helpful for gaining experience and saving money, but it can also delay careers and reduce interest in education. So always give a balanced and clear opinion. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IELTS tips. Thank you for watching.